Thinking about a tech career, but maybe coding isn't your thing? Well, you're in the right place. Ever wonder what the world's biggest companies use to handle all their customers? It's a big deal. It all comes down to one powerful platform. Yep, you guessed it, it's Salesforce. Okay, so what is it? It's a cloud-based CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Cloud-based just means you don't have to install anything, it's all online, ready to go. Got an internet connection? Then you can access it anytime from literally anywhere. Super flexible. All right, so why do businesses even need this? What's the big deal for them? Well, they use it to track customer info, manage sales, and just give way better support. And the result? They save time, sell more, and their customers are way happier. A total win-win. And this is where you come in. The big opportunity? Becoming a Salesforce Administrator. As an admin, you'd manage users, customize pages, build reports, and automate all sorts of tasks. Now here's the best part, especially for beginners. Absolutely no coding is needed. At all. Okay, let's talk salary. In India, freshers can start between 3 to 5 lakh a year. Plus, the demand for this skill is so high, that number can grow really, really fast. So you're interested. How do you actually get started on this career path? Let's lay it out. It's a simple 4-step plan. Get a free account, learn with Trailhead, get certified, and practice. So remember, this isn't just some software tool, right? It's a whole career opportunity. So, the real question is, are you ready to launch your new high-growth career in tech?